A shocking case of negligence from Kota state-run JK Lone Hospital. As many as 9 infants died within 24 hours, triggering massive political storm in the state. Gehlot government has denied any negligence, but BJP blames the state government of infants' death. Here's a report on that.
Another year and another tragedy. This is JK Lone Hospital in Rajasthan's Kota district, one of the biggest state-run hospitals in Kota. Medical apathy and negligence has once again claimed lives of at least 9 infants. Out of 9, 5 newly borns died on Wednesday night. This is the very same hospital where nearly 100 infants had died last year. Struggling with grief, the parents of the deceased allege negligence by hospital staff.
यहाँ पे लाया, डॉक्टर को बताया, डॉक्टर ने बोला कि रोता रहता है, बच्चा है तो रोता रहता है, हम लेके वापस। और वहाँ पे जो स्टाफ रहता है वहाँ पे हमने उससे बोला, लेकिन वो सोते हैं, उनको धक्का देता है किवाड़ के, लेकिन उठते नहीं है। वो यूँ बोलती है कि हम क्या करें, सुबह करेंगे, जो भी करना हो, जो डॉक्टर आएंगे जो करेंगे।
रात को 8 बजे में भी आया था और बच्चा ठीक ठाक था, और उसके भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई होगी तो स्टाफ ने ना वो माइक्रोफोन आती ना टेप चिपकाने की, तो भी उसके हस्बैंड ने चिपकाई। रात सुबह फोन करते मैं तो यहाँ गया था और लड़का एक्सपायर हो गया।
India Today visited the hospital and found it to be in a sorry state, with no lessons learned from last year.
Several family members who come from a very humble background claim that the medical apathy and the negligence that prevails out here has really meant that these people who come from desperate backgrounds are being made to suffer because of the negligence of the doctors and the medical staff.
Under fire, the Ashok Gehlot government has formed a committee and sought a report within 3 days.
सीओटी के कारण 3 बच्चे मृत आए और 3 बच्चों को जन्मजात बीमारी की वजह से मृत्यु हुई। भविष्य में उनको ये साफ हिदायत दी गई है कि किसी भी सूरत में आपके इलाज की व्यवस्था इतनी चाक-चौबंद रहनी चाहिए, एक भी बच्चे की मौत नहीं होनी चाहिए।
बच्चे का क्या कंटिन्यूस देखना पड़ता है, आपने डॉक्टर ने एक बार कितना भी देखा, 2 बार देखा रेगुलर, उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा डॉक्टर्स और एक्स्ट्रा कंपाउंडर जो हमारे लेवल से जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल प्रशासन की व्यवस्था हो सकती है उसकी मैक्सिमम करेंगे। और इससे भी बड़ा एक डिसीजन लिया कि जो नया वार्ड तैयार किया है उसको भी शुरू करवा रहे हैं।
Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, who is MP from Kota, expressed grief over the infant's death.
एक दिन में 9 बच्चों के मरने की घटना निश्चित रूप से व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे पीड़ा भी दी है, इसलिए व्यापक सुरक्षा इंतजाम के साथ किस तरीके से बेहतरीन मैनेजमेंट हो सकती है, इसके संबंध में मैंने जिला प्रशासन से बात की है। मैं राज्य सरकार से और केंद्र सरकार से इस विषय पर चर्चा करूंगा।
BJP is meanwhile up in arms, slamming the Congress government, terming the incident gross negligence department.
पिछली बार की जो घटना हुई थी, केंद्र के मंत्री से लेकर के यहाँ के सारे लोग वहाँ जाकर के आ गए, लेकिन आपने जो जांच बनाई, जांच बिठाई, उसका परिणाम क्या हुआ यार। और आज मुझे दुख इस बात का है कि मंत्री वही भाषा बोलता है जो डॉक्टर कहता है।
Despite Gehlot government's assurance last year, little seems to have changed on the ground in Kota's JK Lone Hospital. The big question is, will there be an accountability as devastated families mourn the loss of innocent lives that have been brutally cut short? With inputs from Devankur Wadhawan in Kota, Bureau Report, India Today.
We have Devankur Wadhawan reporting from Kota. Dev, the details that we get from Kota Hospital is chilling to say the least. 100 infants who died. This same hospital was notorious for that. It made headlines and it was quite shocking back then. It's shocking now that another 10 infants have died and the reasons are multiple. The point is, why aren't they able to curb these fatalities?
Well, clearly, Nabila, the reasons behind what you saw last year in December when 100 children died and the 9 infants who died within a span of 24 hours, the conditions behind both of them remain almost the same. And that is the most shocking part, that despite the death of 100 infants, the government has not learnt its lessons. And what seems to be happening on the ground is the fact that the callous negligence that was seen back then remains. I visited the hospital on 2 consecutive days, spent several hours out there, and what I felt on the ground was that, perhaps no one cared about the patients, about their relatives who were coming from far away places. Now this Kota, it's not just the patients from Kota who visit this hospital. This district of Rajasthan adjoins Bara, Jhalawad, from where Vasundhara Raje hails from, the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and also patients from other states like Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh also visit this hospital. So there is no doubt a certain considerable amount of influx as far as patients are concerned, but on the ground, the callous negligence, the medical apathy is too conspicuous to be missed.
Absolutely, and that's what's visible here. No amount of justification can really justify what has happened. Really, all heart going out to those families there who are miserable over the infant's death. Now, a committee has been formed to probe it.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.